Hi, welcome to 894 Patrijsond in Garsfontein. Let me show you around. Remember, this is a 360 video. That basically means you can move your phone all around and you can see to your sides, to your back, to the top. You can see the ceilings, you can see tiles, everything by just literally moving your phone around if you are in the YouTube app. But let me show you in. When you come inside, there's large open plan living areas. There's terrazzo floors throughout, so this will never fade, never do anything a porcelain tile will in the sense of scrub off or anything similar. Moving over, there's a small little dining room or formal lounge, as well as an entrance from the garage coming up the stairs. As you walk through, you'll see there's LED panel lights throughout as well. That will ensure for light electrical usage. Moving outside to this side is a great entertainment area with perfect braais, with a perfect braai area as well as terrazzo again. And then we've got a great little touch in a veggie garden. It's not fully grown yet, but I think that will be up to the new owner. Going back inside, we find the kitchen to this, or to my right. I think it will be to your left. There's concrete tops in the kitchen, great modern finishes in terms of black hardware, and a brand new stove with a glass top. We also have these great little concrete, or actually GFRC basins made by the Concrete Corporation. Great features throughout. Little scullery in the back here. Double appliance space, as well as a zinc. And then we go down the hallway. There's bedroom number 1 as well as bedroom number 2. They are identicals of one another. Laminate flooring in the bedrooms, a great teal colored cupboard, again with a black hardware, and some industrial lighting throughout as well. Coming into bathroom number 1, again the great GFRC basins, and then a walk-in shower. We're still waiting for our glass, but there will be a glass panel right here. Another bedroom, again with laminate flooring. We can even go inside here, double cupboard space, and like I said, the laminate flooring. All our walls we try to paint a very neutral white with the idea that you can have lush and soft finishes added onto it to really make it better. Bathroom number 2 on this side has a bath, again a basin and a toilet on that side. And then going into the master bedroom, we have a sliding door that walks out into the garden. We've got this great ensuite, his and hers basins with a bath and a toilet. And then we've got these great cabinetry, a lot of cupboards with ample space for his and hers. We've also got a custom mirror in here, and in all the bathrooms we have custom mirrors. Let's walk outside once again. So you can just see this is on a 1,000 square meter stand, which is great in terms of size, and located very close to major highways, malls, restaurants, and Garsfontein Hoërskool. Please do give me a call if you are interested. My number will be below.